Start it again. Start from once upon a time. Go.
Say it again, Sahara.
Go ahead, Puttu.
Once upon a time, there's a far, far away. And there's a far, far away from the all kittens. These kittens are big and smelly and scary. These are scary. Let's go away to this house. Go away, house. Go away. No way, cow. How blow.
Then what
How
happened?
blow.
You're blowing?
Are you blowing?
Yeah.
I'll
I'm
have-
blowing my house in there.
Oh, like the big bad wolf?
Yeah. How blow.
Then what happened?
How blow. How blow. How blow. How blow. How blow.
Oh, God.
How blow.
And then what happened?
What happened?
Then what happened? After the house blew down, what happened?
How blow. How blow.
Okay. Next.
Blow.
What happens next?
How blow.
She's stuck.
I'm stuck.
Oh, are you okay?
Okay, yay! Good story, all done.
end.
The end.
Do it again. No one, everyone is your stories from your teachers. These teachers big and longer. These are burp and spit up. This is exercise like this. And this is exercise like this. And this is exercise like this. Can you do that? And do that like this.
Sahara, be careful. Move so you don't fall.
Are you exercising?
She's gonna fall off.
The end.
Is it the end? How slow?
What you doing? What are you doing, Puttu? Oh, she's breathing hard.
Who breathes like that? You? Then what do you do after you exercise? You eat eggs?
She's stretching. She's stretching.
This should be a commercial for stroller strides. What happened to your eyes? Why? Why, Sahar? Do you want to give me her?